How to use the safety button in DiDi. Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you'd like to use the safety button in the DiDi app, you may follow up these steps. So open up the DiDi app first on your particular smartphone or device, and then once you open it up, you may basically look for a safety or safety toolkit section. It is sometimes located in the menu, but you can easily find it on your home screen as well. So just go ahead and tap on that option like this, and there you will be welcomed to your safety center. So what you can do is basically go to the safety center section, etc., or you can basically look out for the SOS button. Find the SOS or emergency button. We have this option like contacting 911 in the app and viewing your location details, or even trip sharing. So you can share your location with other people and other people will know that, or you can contact the safety center. You can tap on safety center and go ahead and share your location with the trusted contacts, allowing them to track your progress. And if needed, you can even contact DD's incident response team 24/7 for the assistance. So this is the method you can follow up if you'd like to use the safety button in the DD app. It is pretty easy. So I hope this information was helpful. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.